Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ. Today is Saturday, March 2nd. So here we are looking at the weekly time frame, and the primary scenario is suggesting that we made a wave 1 high right here, came down as a wave 2, and from here we are working on our third wave up. Where is it? Somewhere here. So this is our target area, and we should go there in 5 waves. And so now I believe we are probably working here on this wave 1, and what we are seeing so far is a wave 1, a wave 2, and now probably this wave 3 is unfolding. So that's the bullish scenario, my primary scenario. For a while, I also had, or still have actually, a bearish scenario, my secondary scenario, and this scenario says that this wave 2 here was not in yet, but we will make it somewhere here. And then this can unfold as an expanded flat structure. So we came down in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A, then a wave B up, so an overshooting wave B as an expanded flat, and then an impulse down as a wave C. Now, it is important that we stay into this area or around this area, I would say, because in order to have an expanded flat structure, we know that the overshooting wave B should stay into the area between the 1 and the 1.236 VIP extension. And so as you can see, we now reached like the upper boundary of this area. I put it here in invalidation level, but please do not interpret this invalidation level as a strict invalidation. I would say what's more important is here on the daily. So I'm saying this for a while now. What is important here is so from this low, so we have 3 waves up so far, a 1, a 2, and a 3, and 3 waves up can indeed be an impulse, but it can also be an A, B, C. So what we do is evaluating the structure from this low, probably a wave 2 in my primary scenario, but in the bearish scenario, this is our wave B low, and then it means that we are working here on this wave C. And in order to have a wave C, we need a valid 5 waves up. And so far, I would say we have a wave 1, a wave 2 down, then I think this was the wave 3, this was the wave 4, and so now what we need to see, we are working on this fifth wave. This fifth wave could be ending. That would actually be the right moment to end, like if we consider this wave B area. But what is important here, or what would be my invalidation level for the bearish scenario here, is taking out here the wave 3 of 3 RSI reading, because if this would happen, okay, maybe the wave 1, as this was the strongest and the strongest the strongest RSI reading and the longest wave, we could also consider this RSI reading here. But if we would take out like the RSI right here, it would mean this is no longer a fifth wave, but the beginning of a new cycle. So a new RSI reading, a new cycle, a new upward cycle. And so that would mean that this bearish scenario is definitely invalidated, because then we are simply no longer here in the wave B area, and we also started a new cycle, which means more upside to come. So therefore, we are reaching the limits of the bearish scenario. It is still possible, but if you follow my analysis on the DAX, for instance, also there the chance becomes really or it becomes quite unlikely that the expanded flat scenario is playing out there. And so it would be a bit strange to see, to see the Nasdaq dropping. So an impulse down as a wave C in the higher time frame, while the DAX is continuing his journey upwards as a third wave. That would not really make sense. However, in financial markets, everything is possible, and so we only look at the technicals right here. So therefore, from an Elliott Wave point of view, still possible, but it becomes unlikely, I would say. So a wave one, a wave two, and now a third wave up, or a wave A, a wave B, or C wave up, and here we are reaching the limits. So now let's have a closer look here at the 4 hour, at this structure. So here in the 4 hour, okay, we have our one or wave two. Then I believe or wave three was in right here. And then wave four down as an A, B, C. Nice reaction from the equal leg area. And so, yeah, now it is actually important, again, here to respect the RSI, I would say, although it is more important in the daily, but here the 4 hour could also give us an indication. But what we see here, so I told you from the wave 4 low that there was a chance that our fifth wave was in right here as we took out the wave 3 high, and we have an impulse and we had divergence. However, I said it would make more sense also to see clearly 5 waves, like if we compare with the wave 1 and with the wave 3. And now it also looks like this is happening. I would say this here is our wave 1, and then here, okay, I gave you the wave 2 area, but like always, it is possible to have this shallow wave 2 retracements, and this is again what happened right here. The Nasdaq is very bullish, just like most indices. And so we took out the wave 1 high, and now it looks like we are working here on this wave 3. And then again, a 4 and a 5 should follow, and then there is a chance that we have a completed upward structure in the 4 hour. So let's have a closer look here at this structure from the wave 4 low. Therefore, we go to the 1 hour, and so I would say this looks unfinished. From this low, what I see is 3 waves up, and so 3 waves up. It's not that we are correcting something, so a 4 and a 5 should follow. And so far I only see 3, 1, 2, 3. What might be tricky, but like you could say, maybe we have our one, and it, like for the moment we see here divergence, but this could simply be because our wave 3 is not ready yet. That would be the most likely scenario. So what could happen is, as we had like a straight line up here, from my experience, like sometimes it happens that your 1 and 2 like is somewhere hidden here in the beginning, that we cannot really notice it, and that we have something like this, that the wave 1 and the 2 is here, that this here is our wave 3, the strongest one, the wave 4 like this, and then a fifth wave up as we have our divergence here. This is possible, but in my opinion, it is it is unlikely. I favor actually this scenario where we clearly see the 5 waves structure, I would say, because if we start to be suspicious about every wave, like if we start to see 5 waves in a 3 wave structure, then I believe we will make a lot of mistakes. So for me, I prefer just to rely on what I see, but I'm just sharing this because I experienced this in the past. However, it is not so common. So primary scenario would be 1, 2. We are working on the 3, 4, and 5, and then actually it is quite simple or straightforward. I would say here for this scenario in green, this actually becomes or invalidation level, I would say. So if we would take out the low right here, then it could mean that we have like this kind of trick here with the wave 2, 1 and 2 hidden in the beginning of the upward move. And okay, if it plays out like this, it is what it is. But I think we all agree what we see so far. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a 3, and it looks like a 4 and a 5 is missing. I'm seeing 3 waves in this and not 5 waves. Okay, I think this is the most important for now. I don't know if I can add something more here in the 15 minutes. No, not really. Yeah, I don't think even this third wave is finished yet. I would say this is the 1, this is the 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5, something like this. But yeah, let's look at this at the beginning of next week. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.